cases of SARS-CoV-2 infection in vaccinated chronic liver disease patients. The discovery of safe and efficient SARS-CoV-2 vaccinations has influenced the path of the COVID-19 pandemic. Both clinical studies and real-world data show that current COVID-19 vaccinations are very effective in lowering severe illness risk. Despite the benefits of existing COVID-19 vaccinations, those with chronic liver illness have immunological dysfunction and poor immunization responses. In fact, earlier research has indicated that 22.2% of CLD patients who received entire virion subunit vaccinations had no antibody response, while 24.0% of those who received SARS-CoV-2 mRNA vaccines had insufficient antibody responses. SARS-CoV-2 infection increases the risk of morbidity and death in cirrhotic individuals. These data indicate enhanced SARS-CoV-2 vaccination regimens for CLD patients. A recent research compares the frequency and implications of breakthrough SARS-CoV-2 infections in cirrhotic CLD patients vaccinated against non-cirrhotic CLD patients. The researchers utilized the National COVID Cohort Collaborative, N3C, a dataset of 10.7 million people, 0.9 million of whom had vaccination data. A total of 10.7 million people in the National COVID Cohort Collaborative, N3C, had been vaccinated, according to the study. To find SARS-CoV-2 positive CLD patients, the researchers used the N3C dataset. The research included both vaccinated and unvaccinated CLD patients. The present research defined vaccinated patients as having received 2 mRNA vaccines from Pfizer-BioNTech, BNT162b2, Moderna, mRNA 1273, or Johnson & Johnson, JNJ7843367225. However, a completely vaccinated description was supplied 14 days after the patient received 2 mRNA vaccination doses or 1 viral vector vaccine dosage. At 30 days after a SARS-CoV-2 infection, the researchers looked at the overall death rate and the incidence of new SARS-CoV-2 infections as the major outcomes. It should be noted that both partly and completely vaccinated individuals with no previous history of COVID-19 were considered breakthrough infections. The researchers wanted to know how long CLD patients were hospitalized and on mechanical ventilation after testing positive for SARS-CoV-2. The present research comprised 278,457 CLD patients, of whom 43,079, 15%, were COVID-19 vaccinated and 235,378, 85%, were not.